Hello everyone, Jessie here for OpusFlow. In this video, I will show you how to create a solar quotation. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to find the project for which you want to make the solar installation plan. So for that, I go to all my projects and then find the projects for which I want to create the installation plan, open the project. Then you need to go to this tab over here, installation plan, and then click on new installation plan. And the software opens the PV designer for you. As you can see, this is the roof that I want to draw on. I want to change the map, so I'm going to go and click on True Ortho because it gives me a better imaginary image, as you can see over here. And the first step is to draw the roof, let's say. So for drawing the roof, you can click on this button over here. You have different options, manually, rectangular, and just automatically. I'm going to do a rectangular one and just draw my roof over here. So this is done. You're also able to just change it, make it bigger, smaller, even give it 90-degree angle just to make sure that you're in the right design. And in the second step, you go and add your solar panel. So I'm going to click on this button over here, go to the second phase, and here you have to choose your substructure if you have one. I want to choose S-Tag as the substructure, and then if you already have set up templates for your substructure, you can also choose them, but now I just want to show you one by one. Then you have to add the solar panel. This is my solar panel. The roof is flat, the assembly profile, the material of the roof, as well as height and all the other settings that you can see over here, wind zone, terrain category, and also the configuration of the solar panels and the orientation and the distance between the solar panels. So after you choose all these settings, then it's time for you to add the solar panels. Again, you can easily do that just by clicking on this button over here, and as you can see, the solar panel has been added. Then you can just add more solar panels by using the arrows on your keyboard, as you can see, up and down. And when you're finished, you can also just, let's say, change the orientation, so you can select them. I noticed that they're a bit crooked, so you can select them and just align them. And after you're finished, then you can go to the next phase to add the inverter if your client wants an inverter. So this phase, this third step is not mandatory, but you can use it in case if you have a inverter, or if you want to add an inverter. So for that, you just click on this button, add inverter group, and then just click on the solar panels and hover your mouse over them and just choose your inverter from the from this menu. To add more inverters, you can just click on this button over here and say, well, these ones are going to be added to the second one, the same for the third one, and so on. After you're finished adding the inverter, then you can go to the fourth phase, which is the bill of material, and the software checks everything and gives you a list of all the material and everything that is needed. And then when you want to create a quotation, just click on this button over here. The software will take a screenshot of this installation plan and prepares everything for you, the bill of material. As you can see here, is also generating the project plan and everything, and then leads you to the quotation page. And in the next video, I will show you how you can adjust the quotation and the bill of material and send it to your client. Let's have a look.